you're a camera gear, techie fanatic and filmmaking passionate, come here today at the IBC Amsterdam 2025. A lot of stuff, new products. Stay tuned. All right, guys, welcome, special welcome from Amsterdam. Today, I am with the team of Zhiyun. No, Zhiyun. Zhiyun. Oh yeah? Zhiyun. My God, it's hard. It's so hard. Come on, you know the brand, lights, gimbals, some of the most renowned gimbals out there at the moment. We have a couple of new products launches today. You will probably watch this later, but I have reviewed already one of them. Check it out. We got the team here, Jose from Spain, our model, and the team from China, of course. I'll drive you quickly through some of the products we got here. Of course, I'm a fan of this brand, not just because they invited me here. I love the portability of the brand. I mean, check these things, how portable they are. This is 60 watts. It's tiny. You can put it in your pocket, literally, and you've got all these accessories, including tiny barn doors. You have a spotlight, which is so useful as a fill light as well. You've got these tiny soft boxes. That's one, but even smaller. I actually use this stuff for professional work, for interviews and things like that. You got silicone diffusers, I mean, you name it. And then we got the big boys here. So we got from 20 watts, 40, 60, 100, 200. These are the big one, 500 watts, 300. We got the 200, the 100. These are the B series, and then you got the G series as well, 200. 300. I reviewed most of this stuff, so go and check it out on my channel as well. All right, guys, the show must go on here. We got a lot of customers, which is fun. I'm going to show you the new X200, which I have reviewed, but I'll show you right here, right now. So we got the CCT version, which is the one Jose is checking right now here. But we got the RGB version, which is there. I'm going to show you in a second. And Anita is here too. Yeah, that's the light. Great stuff. Check it out on the Zhiyun website and Amazon. I dropped the links down here. Second day here at IBC Amsterdam 2025, still with the Zhiyun team. A lot of people coming through. We have a few raffles as well for giveaways. Actually, we gave away one of the X100 right here. Very portable, love it. And one of the new gimbals, which is the Smooth Q5 Ultra for smartphones. This is great. You have an AI tracking, so it can follow you, but also you have a remote control, and it's a voice controlled gimbal. You can simply give some commands by voice and the gimbal will start moving and following you. So great stuff. Okay, last day here at IBC 2025 Amsterdam with Tammy, the magic super Tammy.
Hi.
Hello.
Oh.
How are you?
Good.
We ready to go home?
Yeah.
Yes.
Miss
Last
my
day.
home.
She's missing her home.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so we have a few products on sale, 20% discount. Well, you're gonna miss out, unfortunately. We just did another workshop. The full workshop is coming on my YouTube channel, so stay tuned. I hope it's gonna be helpful. I hope you enjoy this event. If you can next year, come around because it's great. If you're in London for one of the other events, come as well. I hope I will be invited again by the brand. She didn't hear that. Okay, thanks for tuning in, guys. See you soon.